Hey guys, it's me Vanessa and I'm back with another beauty video. So today I'm going to be putting these curly wavy clip-in hair extensions in my hair. I had done a video previously with me wearing the kinky curly extension clip-ins, but I found these and I feel that these match my hair texture much better. So first, I wash and condition the extensions because I've worn them previously. I'm going to be washing them with the Matrix Length Go hair extension shampoo and conditioner. So now that those are washed, I'm putting them off to the side to dry, combing my hair and parting it the way I plan on wearing the extensions. So yes, this is how they look after 5 minutes of them drying. So I'm going to be doing my first part, but first I'm going to put a little cream on my hair just to kind of tame it. So the first piece, I'm going to be putting a 3-piece clip-in in the back part. And for the second row, I believe it's going to be the same thing, another 3-piece on this part. And I'm going to put it slightly above the first row. Make sure everything is tight. Now I'm going to be doing my third row, and I think the same thing. I'm going to have to use a 3-piece clip-in and then a 2-piece. I may have to put this one slightly on top of the other one just so that everything will fit. We don't want the clip-ins to be too close to our edge. Now this is the 4th row. So now I'm adding a little Echo style gel to my hair just so it can kind of blend in a little bit more with the clip-ins, and so it can lay down too, because by the time this stuff dries up it'll be thick and frizzy, so we want to use a little bit of cream and gel just to tame it. So I'm trying to figure out what is going to fit here. So this is a 2-piece. And another 3-piece. So we're going to continue to move along and move up. Now I don't know about y'all's hair, but my hair, it gets a little bit thick up in this crown area, and yes, we need a little more gel to blend it on in. And so I believe a 4-piece clip-in will fit on this whole entire section. Yes. So now that we're at the top, I have to kind of strategically put the rest in just so it can lay how I want it to lay. And I see that I'm going to have to do some adjusting to that last one I put in because I think it's up a little high, but I'm going to get it figured out. And sometimes if you place it in the wrong place, you can always adjust them accordingly. That's the good thing about clip-ins. You can just easily take them out and easily put them in. That's why I left them. Okay, so what do you guys think so far? I think it's blending in pretty good. Just got to get a few more pieces on the top. And see, this hairstyle is really quick and easy. That's why it's one of my go-tos. But I told myself that I'm going to start doing my hair in different styles and stop being lazy. Because this is one of my favorite lazy hairstyles to do. And I love the finished result. I'm trying to figure out, am I going to wear a part on the side or the middle? I had previously picked the side, but I don't know. It's kind of like in the way the middle is looking, but I think I'm just going to go with the side. So for that piece, that's a one piece, I believe. And for the top part, we have to use like one piece or two piece clip-ins. So this shorter part. This is a two-piece. Still, we don't want to get too close to the edge. Do some adjusting over here. Got it. Adjustment in the front part. So yeah, I'm gonna add one more piece. And I think that'll be it. Then once I add this piece in, I think that's about it. I'm going to add some more of the Echo Style Gel to my hair and make sure everything is laid down and in its place. Kind of comb them edges in a little bit more and add a little bit gel to the back and make sure everything's like blending in and looking like it's my hair. That's the whole point of hair extensions, right? So I love how these blend in with my hair, but I'm probably gonna have to put a little bit of gel just in the middle part because like I said, my hair gets a little thick there and we want them blending in with this hair as much as possible. So add a little bit of the gel to the other side. And it looks weird, but once I sit under the dryer and kind of like let everything dry together, it's gonna blend in great. So I'm gonna end up sitting under the dryer and probably no more than about 3 minutes. There you have it, you guys, the finished look. It only took about 30 minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.